Hello again. Today we're going to show how to change the O-rings on the BCD hose. There are two O-rings on this hose, one that goes to the first stage, the other one that connects with the BC. In order to change these O-rings, we need some tools and the specific O-rings for this purpose. We will start with the bull clip O-ring. So this one is size 610. In order to do this, we need a special tool to make our job easy, and in order to correctly install the O-ring. So take some lubricant on the O-ring, and we place it on this tool. Then we pull down the clip. We just insert the O-ring just like that. After that, we use the second part of this tool in order to finish the job. Done. For the other O-ring, we will need the O-ring size 011, and this bullet tool. We just put some lubricant on the tool itself. I did it before, just to accommodate. You just place this tool over the hose, you just pull it down. That's it. So for this purpose of O-ring change of the BCD hose, you will need this tool, the bullet tool, 011 O-rings, as 110 size O-rings. I guess you will have lubricant and some O-ring pick just to help you out with the installation. Thanks for watching, and talk to you soon.